Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix a verification field could not communicate with the server. So guys, if you're also facing this problem on your Apple devices, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed, and if the problem is still there, then open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below, tap on date and time and set your date and time from here, and go back. And now you have to simply tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. And after this, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network settings from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open your profile, and from here you have to simply tap on sign in and security and wait here for some seconds again. So guys, from here you have to simply change the password of your Apple ID, and after this go back and now scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID in your device for one time. So guys, do this and again restart your device, and after this again sign in your Apple ID in your device. So guys, simply do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply give a forced restart to your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.